Ever wanted to travel through time? I'm not talking about some cheesy sci-fi movie, I'm talking about the real deal. The kind of time travel you get when you walk into a place that's been around for centuries. Los Angeles, yeah, that LA, is full of these places. Sure, it's known for Hollywood and beaches, but scratch beneath the surface and you'll find a city steeped in history, a place where the past is very much alive. We're gonna jump into our time machine, which is really just a comfortable pair of shoes and a Metro card, and explore the hidden corners of this town. We'll discover the stories behind the buildings, the streets, and the people who came before us. Look, I get it. LA is all about the new and the shiny, but trust me, the old stuff, it's got stories to tell. Stories about ambition, about struggle, about the dreams that built this city. Think about it. Every building, every street corner has witnessed history. People lived, loved, and died here. They built empires and lost everything, and those stories, they're still here whispering in the bricks and mortar. You want to really know a city? You gotta know its past. You gotta understand where it's been to know where it's going. And LA? This town's got a past that's wilder, more exciting, and more messed up than any movie you've ever seen. So, where do we start our time-traveling adventure? LA's got no shortage of historical hotspots. We're talking about places like the Old Trapper's Lodge, a relic of the Wild West. It's like stepping back into a time when cowboys and Indians roamed these parts. Then there's the Bradbury Building, an architectural masterpiece straight out of a film noir. You can practically hear the click-clack of trench coats and the hushed whispers of secrets. And we can't forget Olvera Street, the birthplace of Los Angeles. It's a vibrant mix of Mexican culture, history, and delicious food. Trust me, the smells alone are worth the trip. And just a stone's throw from downtown, you've got the Los Angeles State Historic Park. This place has seen it all, from Spanish rancheros to industrial boom times. It's a reminder that even in a city obsessed with the future, the past is never far behind. Now, before you jump in your DeLorean, let's talk logistics. LA's a sprawling metropolis. You can't just wander aimlessly, hoping to stumble across history. You need a plan. First things first, traffic. It's LA, it's gonna be a nightmare. The Metro's your best bet. It'll get you close to most of these historical gems. Plus, it's a great way to see the city like a local. Timing is everything. These places get crowded, especially on weekends. Try going early morning or late afternoon. You'll beat the crowds and the heat, and trust me, LA can get hot. Pack light. Comfortable shoes are a must. You'll be doing a lot of walking. Bring a water bottle, sunscreen, and an open mind. You're about to embark on a journey through time, after all. The Old Trapper's Lodge, a taste of the Wild West. Our first stop takes us back to LA's frontier days. The Old Trapper's Lodge, tucked away in the hills, is a time capsule from the Wild West. Built in the 1870s, this rough-hewn log cabin was a popular hangout for trappers, traders, and all sorts of colorful characters. Legends say it even saw its fair share of outlaws and gunslingers. Today, it's a museum, frozen in time. You can practically smell the wood smoke and hear the crackle of the fire. Check out the antique guns, the furs, and the old-timey tools. It's like stepping onto the set of a John Wayne movie. Don't miss the saloon. Belly up to the bar and imagine yourself throwing back whiskey with grizzled mountain men. It's a reminder that before LA was all about glitz and glamour, it was a rough and tumble frontier town. The Bradbury Building, a noir masterpiece. Next up, we're stepping into a world of shadows and secrets. The Bradbury Building, a downtown icon, is an architectural marvel that screams film noir. Built in 1893, this five-story atrium is a symphony of light, iron, and shadow. The open cages of its elevators, the intricate ironwork, and the skylight that bathes the whole place in an eerie glow, it's all straight out of a detective novel. And speaking of detective novels, the Bradbury has been featured in countless films, from Blade Runner to The Artist. Walking through its corridors is like stepping onto a movie set. Keep your eyes peeled, you never know who you might run into. Take your time exploring its hidden nooks and crannies. Look up at the ornate details. Feel the weight of history in the air. This is a place where time seems to stand still, where the ghosts of old Hollywood still linger. Olvera Street, the heart of Mexican Los Angeles. Now let's spice things up a bit. Olvera Street, nestled in the heart of downtown, is a fiesta for the senses. It's the oldest part of LA, dating back to 1781, and it's a vibrant celebration of Mexican culture. Stroll down the cobblestone street lined with colorful stalls selling everything from handcrafted jewelry to traditional Mexican clothing. The air is filled with the aromas of sizzling carne asada, fresh tortillas, and churros dusted with cinnamon sugar. Check out the Avila Adobe, the oldest house in LA, built way back in 1818. It's a window into the city's Mexican heritage, a time when California was still part of Mexico. And don't leave without catching a mariachi band. The music, the dancing, the energy, it's infectious. It's a reminder that LA's cultural heart beats to a Latin rhythm. Los Angeles State Historic Park, from rails to trails. Our final stop takes us just north of downtown to the Los Angeles State Historic Park. This 32-acre park has seen it all. From its days as a Tongva village to its time as a railroad yard, this place is a microcosm of LA's history. Walk the trails, enjoy the views of the downtown skyline, and imagine the park's past lives. Picture the Tongva people who first called this land home, the trains that rumbled through, carrying goods and people, the factories that hummed with industry. Today the park is a green oasis in the middle of the city. It's a place where people come to relax, play, and connect with nature. But it's also a reminder that the past is never far away. Check out the park's events calendar. They often host concerts, festivals, and cultural events. It's a great way to experience the park's vibrant present while connecting with its rich past. Travel tips from a time traveler. Now listen up, time travelers. If you want to get the most out of your historical adventure, you gotta go beyond the guidebooks. You gotta immerse yourself in the experience. Here's how. First, find a local guide, someone who knows the stories behind the stories. They'll show you the hidden gems, the secret spots, the stuff you won't find in any brochure. Next, get involved. Look for reenactments, historical walks, or workshops. Trying on a period costume, firing a musket, or learning an old craft, that's how you really step back in time. And don't be afraid to embrace technology. Augmented reality apps can bring the past to life right before your eyes. Imagine seeing historical figures walking down the street or buildings morphing from their original forms to their modern incarnations. The past isn't past. LA's history is alive. So, there you have it. A time-traveling adventure through the heart of Los Angeles. We've explored the Wild West, walked through film noir, tasted the flavors of Mexico, and witnessed the transformation of a city. But here's the thing about history. It's not just something you read in books or see in museums. It's alive. It's all around us, shaping the present and influencing the future. When you walk through these historic sites, you're not just observing the past, you're connecting with it. You're feeling the echoes of the people who came before you, understanding their stories, and realizing that their lives, their dreams, their struggles are not so different from our own. So, next time you're in LA, ditch the Hollywood Walk of Fame and the beaches for a day. Take a journey through time. Explore the city's hidden historical gems. You might be surprised by what you discover. Keep exploring, your LA adventures await. This is just a taste, a small bite of the historical feast that LA has to offer. There are countless other stories to uncover, places to explore, and connections to be made. So get out there. Lace up your shoes, grab a Metro card, and start exploring. Who knows what adventures await you in the City of Angels? And hey, when you find something cool, share it. Post your pictures, tell your stories. Let's keep the spirit of history alive. Stay tuned. There are more time-traveling adventures to come. Until then, happy exploring. Please like and subscribe.